Hello dear subscribers, Delta. So how to fix problems in Instagram? So if Instagram direct messages video stuck not sending, so how you could also fix that? So first thing, please check size of your videos that you try to send. So mostly it happened because you have too large video file or photo file, and please just check this thing. So also after, you could try to just please go to the app store and just check the latest updates for Instagram. So just go to search tab, in search tab just right here Instagram, and after you just need to tap on update button here and just wait until it will successfully installed on your iPhone or iPad. And actually, you could also just try to clear cache on your Instagram, so sometimes it also helps too. So, thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.